Hello, this is Death Star 666, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a ordinary kind of wine glass today in Layout 10. Well, not Layout, Lightwave 10 Modeler. I'll have another video with Layout in it, because you can't do everything in one. So, I'm going to just be telling you guys some of the shortcuts as I go about this, kind of tell you what I'm doing, so you guys can do it if you want. It's basic, not that good, but alright. So getting started, in the Create tab of Modeler, and I'm going to come down here to Spline Draw. I'm going to right click down here in my back view. You can have different views, top, back, right, perspective, if you didn't know that already. And I'm going to right click out here. This is going to be the base, kind of, where basically holds the glass up. I'm going to continue right clicking, kind of just do like a basic outline of it. Not too hard or anything, just making it. I think we'll make this a shallow glass, cause failing at this here, but cause I really don't feel like making it too big and open, so could call it a candy dish if you wanted, but not really candy dish. And I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of a dip there. Right, and you can just select these, and you can move them around. I would move that in a little, and that in, and because when you otherwise when you finish this, it's gonna be iffish, like it's gonna have a really wide handle. The base here is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna move, or too small, so I'm gonna move these polygons out. That looks adequate. I'm gonna hit space key, and that'll deselect that tool. Now we have a line, and it's okay line, not the best. I think I'm gonna select that point. T to move a point, so yeah, if you want to select like an edge, you can click edge, or you can just hit space, toggle through. Polygons, which we don't have any yet, so. Alright, then we're gonna go to Multiply tab, and from here, we're gonna go to Lathe, and we're gonna left click, and we're gonna drag up along the Y axis, and you can go left or right, and it will change the look of it just a little, well, a lot, depending on how much. So you could do some weird fountain maybe, if you wanted, but alright, back on topic. You can hit control and it'll straighten it up, so it's only perfect. Now, you can hit over, left on the arrow keys, and you can add more segments. So I could do a square glass or triangle. It goes down to a triangle before it goes just to a line. So you get triangle, you could get square. I'm gonna go for a nice round one, so I'm gonna add lots of points or segments. So then space key will turn that off, and there so far is our basic glass. Now this is a really thin cup, but we're not going to put anything in it, so it's okay. Maybe later I'll show you guys how to make a perfume bottle. Pretty much the same. Right now I'm working on an introduction towards my YouTube channel, yeah, so that should be fun. Anyways, you can hit A to center it perfectly, and then we're going to hit Q, and we're going to lay names, put what color we want it. So I'm going to name this glass. Sorry for the spelling error. and we're just going to set it as green for now. Turn smoothing on, which it doesn't do anything here, but when we load it up into Lightwave, it'll look better, trust me, like a lot better. Okay, we're going to move it up a bit, and from here we need to go into another tab. You can do this hitting the 1 button, or what, oops, my bad, sorry. I hit F1 there. You can hit 1 or 2 and it'll toggle back, and then you can just click on that little half triangle thing and it will ghost this out, so you won't be able to edit it through there, but you can place it and you can see like, oh, so I need to make it down here and up or whatever. And then I'm going to zoom out and create box. And I'm basically going to make my backdrop I need to add some segments. Alright, and T, we're going to move that down. And then from here, we're going to select polygons, and we're going to go from about here up. And we're going to Y for rotate, T for move. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to have selected all the polygons, but Y for rotate, and you can just make kind of a background, as you can see I'm doing here. And then when you load this in layout, you have a nice background you can use. It's nice to have. Now, I don't like how this is so like into the background, so move it forward. And we should save this now. So, wait, nope. We're going to do the background. So, Q. Okay, and we'll put red for this, just because it really doesn't matter anyways. Control S, and I'll just save over this one I've already built, because it really doesn't matter. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'll show you how to turn it into actual glass here in my next video. If you like, just hit the like button, comment. I'm going to be doing tutorials on how to make just basic objects. I'm not like real good at it yet, but I've been taking a media arts class in my school, which is where I got the program from. And I've been basically learning how to do this stuff. This I kind of learned on my own. You can use this for all kinds of stuff. You could make like a regular glass cup and put like orange juice in it and stuff like that. It's entertaining, fun. It really improves your set if you're trying to do sets, which I normally do that. I'm not really an animator. I'll do some animation with you guys, but most of it doesn't look that good with me when I do it. So, alright, well, I'll post another one.